Good morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing great. This is where we're going to be setting up today. This is what they call the Cowboy Circle out here at the Abilene State Park. We're going to be setting up. I'm not sure how many cooks we're going to have today, but it should be a good one. It's a little distance from where we have to park, but hopefully everything goes good. But this is it. This is where we're going to be set up. So we had a nice little rain about 4 o'clock this morning, so it's a little wet, but it's not too bad. Alright guys, got pretty much everything set up, laid out. I've got my chimney over there going. Got the 14 here, the 12 here. Got my little stands down there. We're all ready to cook. Guys, here's the corn. It's jalapeno creamy corn, and it looks like it's gonna be great.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no